Telabio is creating a new age of innovation and value to transform the current landscape in soft tissue repair. Ovitech's reinforced bioscaffolds were purposefully designed through partnering with surgeons and applying novel engineering principles. By combining biologic and synthetic materials in a unique embroidered construction, Telabio has developed the next step in hernia repair. Constructed from high-quality, minimally processed biologic material derived from ovine rumen, Ovitech's reinforced bioscaffolds have been optimized to achieve minimal foreign body response and allow for functional tissue remodeling. Layers of biologic material are interwoven with polymer in a customized lock-stitch pattern. The polymer component is either permanent or resorbable and provides additional strength, improved handling, and load-sharing capability. The addition of polymer to the tissue results in approximately 25% extra strength. When tensile forces are applied, the tissue and the polymer bear the load together. This unique embroidered design creates hundreds of microchannels that help facilitate fluid transfer through the device. This permeable design allows for rapid absorption of wound fluids and blood during implantation and helps enable cellular infiltration, migration, and repopulation for functional tissue remodeling during healing. Surgeons note that Ovitech's implants conform readily to the wound bed and are easy to handle, trim, suture, and tack. Ovitech is compatible with a range of hernia procedures and techniques, including laparoscopic and robotic minimally invasive surgical approaches. Ovitech is offered in multiple configurations and various sizes. There are 3 configurations of Ovitech specifically designed for ventral hernia and abdominal wall reconstruction. These products are available with either permanent polypropylene polymer or resorbable polyglycolic acid polymer, reinforcing the same biologic material. At Telabio, we are transforming the landscape of soft tissue repair through unparalleled innovation. By combining biologic and synthetic materials in a unique embroidered construction using unprecedented technology, we offer surgeons uncompromised choices and the next step in hernia repair. Ovitech's reinforced bioscaffolds, the latest innovation in hernia and abdominal wall reconstruction.